like on some National Geographic type shit. Look at that. It's so much taller in person. It's really not even capturing how pretty it is. They're gonna take a group photo. Apparently I'm not a part of the group. Major person in the group. Okay, okay.
You got me crazy, look. Don't you be waiting. This is my jolly.
Look at, those are all, ew, you want to die. Those are all bats. Okay, whatever. My quality isn't as good as it was before. That's hundreds of little bats. Disgusting. And we made it back. It's like a 30-minute walk one way. A little small room, a little small fun. You can completely hear them in the next room over, which is nice. I don't think I have a suite mate, so I'm gonna be in here by myself, not snuggled up with somebody else, which would be so nice because I sweat all night, so that'll be super nice. So this is just a trip that was like on Instagram. They have just like things of like come and visit Ghana with us. So I'm just with a bunch of other Ghanaians. I'm the only non-Ghanaian here, which is pretty interesting actually, because I've never been around Ghanaians like my age, like as an adult. And it's so fun. And so we're at this hotel and everyone was getting paired off, but not a lot of women like do these types of things. So I think there's maybe only like 4 women, so it's mostly men. So good morning. It's not even 6 a.m. It's so early. I just woke up, as you can literally see in my face. I'm here with Kwabena. He won't show. Oh, okay, there we go. I don't really know what we're doing. We're gonna go look because apparently it's really beautiful if you go super early in the morning. So that's what we're gonna do. So he woke me up for nothing then. So because this hike is so long, because there's so many of us and it's just a steep hike, we couldn't go yesterday, so we were supposed to do the hike yesterday, the waterfall today. Didn't work out. So now we did the waterfall yesterday, we're doing the hike today. It's so early. Which I'm fine because I'm literally already sweating and it's not even hot yet. So to have it be earlier, I think is better. It's gonna take so long. Look at this view. You can't really see it, just know that it's nice. So we just walked to the other, we're at Wli Falls Heights Hotel. I just read that off of the guy's shirt. You guys should come here. It's owned by a very beautiful Ghanaian woman, which a lot of places now are not owned by Ghanaians in Ghana, which I don't want to give my money to white people. Oh my God, especially in Africa. No, thank you. I will not. I have, not intentionally. So y'all should definitely come here. I think we're not traveling to Africa to not have an authentic experience. That's not what we're doing. So come here, come and visit this place. The lady is super sweet. There's 2 locations and it's beautiful. It's so pretty. So anyway, we're here, we're gonna eat breakfast, then we're gonna go pray for me.
Come on, baby. Oh, who is that? Who is that? Who is that? Oh, yeah, channel.
Please, sir, you're blocking for my YouTube.
Like, delete yourselves.
You're taking a, oh,
Can you delete yourselves?
Can you?
Tu parles français? Hein?
Ooh. Ooh.
Hey,
ooh,
auntie.
ooh, ooh.
Would you save that energy for the climb?
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you. Good morning.
I think I should face this way.
Wait, can you pronounce the place, please?
We are at Mount Afadjato.
Afadjato. Afadjato. It's literally 9:30?
Yeah. 9:23.
We were supposed to be there 7:30.
You guys, they're not coming, so let's just wait.
Okay, we're not even 4 minutes in. The sun here, it's different. She's different. Okay, I do look amazing, but it's still hot. No one even actually knows which mountain it is. So the reason why it's gonna take us 2 hours, look how slow. Do you see how slow they're moving? I'm a slow walker, but this? What? It's half a mile. It should not take 2 hours. What are we doing? Come on. Anyway, I'll let y'all know. Until then, montage. The highest point in Ghana. It took us about an hour. Completely uphill, fully steep. These pictures really are not giving it the justice that it deserves. When I tell you that I'm soaked, that this took, okay, there's like barely anything left in here, everything. I don't know how I'm gonna make it down. My skin is burning, there's no shade. So, it's very clear that I have absolutely no idea what I'm doing because I, once again, did not film an outro. And I barely filmed the top of that mountain. But basically, we finished the hike, we went back down. It was lots of fun. There's pictures on my Instagram of it. And yeah, it was a super fun trip. Like I was kind of mentioning earlier, I went with this group called Sightsntrips, and it was so much fun. They take care of absolutely everything, the food, where you're sleeping, transportation, every little thing. I didn't have to worry about anything, which I hate planning things out like that. Like I love to do stuff like that, but like don't make me plan it because I just won't. I simply will not participate. So it was super, super nice. I paid 350 Ghana cedis for it, which I believe is close to about $60 for a 2-day, 1-night trip. I think it's hard to make friends here. I don't know. I think it's hard to make the actual friends, especially as a woman, to make friends with other women. And this trip, like, are we friends? I think I made some friends. But yeah, check it out. And again, thank you guys for coming to watch my videos. They're kind of cringy. I know they're kind of hectic. They're kind of all over the place. But at the end of the day, I'm just having fun. I've been having a good time. And it's like my little journal, my little video diary. So anyway, hope to catch y'all on the next one.